Fantom at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we are slightly holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and at the time of this recording we also continue to hold above our key area of support above the 0.6487. We have also seen a rejection at a key area of resistance above the 0.7919 in a move that has now resulted to the formation of a double top, which is a bearish pattern that breaks to the lower side. And on today's video I will be discussing the scenarios that can play out in case we see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the lower side, and above all discuss my Elliot wave structure that I have been tracking on the charts for the past few months. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to provide is an email address and maybe your phone number for registration. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing the formation of a double top over here, which is a bearish pattern that breaks to the lower side, having the minimum target areas being given by the height between the tops and the neckline. So we can get that height and then place it below the neckline to give us a minimum breakout target area, which lies below the $0.6222. And that breakout can get confirmed the moment we see a break to the lower side of the neckline that lies below the 0.7092. So in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing further breakdown moves and we lose the neckline below the 0.7092, then I will be expecting a breakdown move to the $0.622 in the next coming hours or days as we break out of this double top. So that is the first thing that you need to have in mind. Jumping also using the 4-hour chart, I have an Elliot wave structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we first picked in this 5 wave structure over here, completing the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a pullback in a wave 2, we saw a wave 3, a wave 4 over here, and finally picked in this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that has now completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 that I have marked here on the charts using these red markings over here. And there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, and in the next coming hours as we see a breakout out of this double top over here, which is the first indication that we have a top in place at the moment, then there are high chances that we are going to see a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to the highs above the 0.79, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket that lies between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.5276 and the 0.4641, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So in case in the next coming hours we see a breakout out of our double top, lose significant key areas of support, there are high chances that we are going to see an ABC corrective structure in that Elliot wave count 2, getting us into this yellow target area over here, fully maximize the area, get a low in place for the second wave, then we can then finally bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure to keep you up to date.